Hi babe, it's me, Love from Munchkin Time. Today for dessert, we're having pumpkin muffins. They are super fluffy and delicious. You're gonna love this recipe. If you like recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of sugar, 15 ounces of pumpkin puree, 1 cup of olive oil, and 4 eggs. In a mixing bowl, combine eggs and sugar, olive oil, pumpkin puree. Whisk it on super high speed until it's blended. In a different bowl, combine flour, baking powder, baking soda, pumpkin pie spice, salt, and whisk it all in together. Add dry ingredients to wet ingredients, and then whisk it on high speed until everything's combined and there's no lumps. Pour about 1/4 of a cup of batter into a paper cups or baking cups. Now let's make our crumbles. In the mixing bowl, combine 3/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Give it a really good mix. After, add 6 tablespoons of olive oil and stir that in. I like to use hands when mixing this mixture. Also, I like to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon for the extra flavor. Now add crumbles on top of the batter and bake at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now let's make our glaze. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of almond milk. If you need to add more almond milk, please feel free to do that. Just be careful not to add too much of it. Mix until very silky texture. After, glaze your pumpkin muffins with glaze and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel if you like recipes like this and give me a thumbs up. In the comments below, please let me know what's your favorite pumpkin recipe. Come check out my other pumpkin recipes, pumpkin scones and pumpkin waffles. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!